One of the things I always find interesting about this approach is like, if your thesis is to figure out what can AI actually do, and then backtrack from there into how to build a team and how to choose what projects to prioritize, you can get stuck in this situation where by the time you figured out what AI can do, the set of things that AI can do has changed, right? It's moved forward.
Yep.
I mean, no technology has ever moved at the pace that AI is moving at, I think, in history. And it's tricky, right? So when you set the definition of like how Ryan defines, quote, what AI can do, what does that mean? Does that mean today? Does that mean 6 months from now? Does that mean like 3 years from now? How do you think about what that actually means in practice?
Yeah, good question for kind of clarifying what that means and how we look at it. And so we broke it down not into, maybe it's a different way of understanding the capabilities of AI. And it's looking at our business. And so, a lot of our business is unstructured data. That is just a massive amount of unstructured data. And so what we see AI now, with large language models and other modalities of language models or multimodal models, we see the ability to really harness unstructured data in a different way. And I think that changed our perspective. And so, we look at the fact that we are getting really good at using unstructured documents to our advantage. And that wasn't historically, the approach that we had. And so that when we say capabilities or what can AI actually do, like it can understand at scale lots of unstructured data and glean insights from those types of assets. And that we actually have a lot of those, and we can do something with them that we maybe historically didn't have. And so while yes, AI, like it gets the AI, models are just getting better and better at those capabilities, but that is a core capability that they have, and I think will sustain to have. And they will have other things that these models will be able to do and accomplish. And so it's not trying to be so predictive on what the models will fully be capable of doing, but understand something that my feeling is they will always be really good at, and can we start to leverage that to our advantage. And so same thing with computer vision type. The models are only going to get better at what computer vision is a capability, and being able to see, quote unquote, see. And so how can we use that thinking of a computer can see? What can we do with that capability? And so trying to think about AI capabilities in that way.